Hello everybody, this is Brendan from LemTask. In this video, I'm going to show you the best TickTick setup for daily tasks, especially if you want to clarify without turning your task manager into a second job. This setup is for people who want to get things done daily and not just manage endless lists. TickTick is powerful, but most people enable too much too early. So let's click on TickTick. When you enter the home page, you will see Eisenhower matrix, several lists, a habit tracker, and all sorts of stats live. It is important to understand that unused features create visual noise and decision fatigue. If you are not using a feature daily, it's costing your attention. So, the action we will complete is to hide anything and not rely on anything that doesn't assist our purposes. We will emphasize simplicity over optionality. So, let's go into our lists. We will create one list. Let's say work and make it red. There's our list. So, the more lists we create, the more we fragment our focus. Projects only can exist, but daily execution lives in one place. Remember, your brain works best when it has no one else to check. So, priority levels. We will go to our list of tasks. I will go into a task, update document. As I click on it, on the right-hand side, more information about specific task comes to mind. I will click on a priority and I will assign a medium-high priority to set task. That updates the task priority to orange. We'll see here in the bottom, I've got a high priority task. Priority isn't about urgency. It's about what deserves attention first. Restraint here is the name of the game. If everything is important, then nothing is. You will go to the today view. Here is my today view. These are certain tasks that I have put in today. And you will notice that they have been organized by priorities that I've set. Urgent, medium, and no priority setting. On the right-hand side, you will see that I have inserted habits. Habits are recurring tasks. So, if I only had to open TickTick once a day, this is the tab that I would be opening. And as my day goes along, I will complete my tasks and see my progress down below. Now, for context, this is how we do this in LemTask, which is the tool we use ourselves. Google LemTask. With LemTask, adding a new idea is simple. I go to brain dump, call Susan. I extract my task, the task has been created, and I select. Brilliant. Calling Susan has been added to my day. I have a simple dashboard where I scroll down, and Call Susan has been placed underneath my urgent and need to do tasks. So this is a task first layout. Priorities and daily execution are baked into the solution. The philosophy is the same. I want to reduce friction and increase follow through. So, if you want to see this approach in full, LemTask is linked below. Thank you.